Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked. Your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. And you have tried a lots of videos on YouTube and other video streaming platform, but still now your phone is locked. You didn't get help from any videos on YouTube. So don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you, how you can unlock your smartphone by sitting at home without visiting any service center and without need any computer application. And the main thing is that, my friend, by this unlocking method, your all the datas like videos, photos, all the data will be saved in your smartphone. You don't have to lose a single data. Okay, so don't worry at all. At the end of this video your problem will be solved 100% definitely. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, the main thing is that there are some important things that I would also like to you will have to take care of it, my friend. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's trick and today's method, then it's okay. Otherwise you can also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next videos for the further help you. First of all, when your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network, hotspot, all the network, Bluetooth, all the network should be closed. Okay, so for this, simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. After slide your phone downside, you can see here there are lots of keys on my phone display. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So when you will click on this, when you will activate on this airplane mode, it means your phone's all the network, like all the network, telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network will be closed. Now I'm going to activate it. Now you can see here airplane mode has been activated and all the network has been switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Okay, but before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and this is the most important thing. The most important thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed, because it's most necessary to unlock your smartphone by this master unlocking method. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, so there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, because this is the most important step to unlock the smartphone without losing any data. So these type of secret code update within 2 and 3 days regularly, and what I'm going to give you today's secret code is only valid for 3 days, my friend. So how will you feed this secret code in your phone? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside and you will get an option of a emergency SOS or emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option and you will get a dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed here this secret code to close the background running application, and today's the secret code is star 999 then star 523 then star 4 times 0 then star 99 then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code. And the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to do the same. You will have to continue call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. So after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, I am going to give you a special USD code which will reach your phone to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page, and this USSD code is *#899 then hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this number *#899 hash, a new page has been appeared and the page name is after sales page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page after sales page. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to go with this option, software version, and when you will go with this software version option, you will reach to a new page and the page name is software version page. Okay, and you will get a lots of option also on this page, but you can see here there is an option of a Android version option at the 2nd number option, and my phone Android version number is 13, and it may be possible your phone will be showing your Android version 10, 11 or 12, so don't worry at all. If your phone is showing your Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly, but here my phone is showing your Android version 13, so I will have to click on this option 13 times rapidly. So I'm going to click here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Mark my word, you will have to click on this option rapidly. Okay, after this step, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option. Above the software version, you can see with me, simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you will also get a 3 type of option on this engineers mode page. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side. You don't have to go with any option on this page. Okay, and you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here there are also a 5 type of option on this page. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a main word version, or it's also known as database version. Okay, but the both option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main word version 3 times or 4 times continuously. So you will have to click here at least 4 times continuously, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now after this, you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option at the 2nd number, my friend. Simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and it will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the 2nd time you will have to cancel here, and the 3rd time you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to confirm with the OK button, and when you will confirm this OK button, you will get a pop-up of a wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now the very last step I am going to spell you out, but the main thing is that if you have skipped a single step in this video, okay, so you will have to watch this video again and you will have to waste your time again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly, my friend, to unlock your smartphone in a single time. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here there are also lots of options on this device debugging page, but you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a page, new page, and you will get a 3 type of option on your phone display. Maybe possible you will get 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all the option you can see here. Operation not started. Simply you will have to click on this option to start these operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. You can see with me, test has been started but test failed, test has been started and failed. The 3rd option, test has been started, but you can see here the 3rd option has been appeared as a test passed message. It means your phone has been unlocked. Now you don't have to go anywhere to unlock your smartphone like a service center, or you don't need any computer application. Now I will show you how you can unlock your smartphone. So see with me, I'm going to click here on the home button of the phone. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application like you can see here, KineMaster, WhatsApp, all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works. And if your phone unlocked with the help of today's video, then like this video. Otherwise, if your phone could not unlock with the help of today's video, so you can also comment which type of issues you are facing. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.